Hello mga repa, mga mamshi. Good day sa inyo mga repa, mga mams. So another vlog. It's been a long time na wala tayong vlog, no? Medyo busy. Christmas is done. So here I go, Team Liberal. Here I go.
Hey,
Again.
Mr. Beast, I like your channel.
Nag-plug ka pa. Alright, so say hi to your subscribers.
Hi.
Um,
It's Johnson Day.
Johnson Day. Alright. so,
David Johnson Day.
yeah, later I will show you why Johnson Day. Alam to mga tsuhin nilang si
And
Tito
now we're
Johnson.
going to church.
Yeah. So,
We're gonna see you in church.
yeah, I'm gonna see you in church later. So,
And Mr. Beast, I'm gonna give you a lot of dollars.
so their mom is at work today. So, ako nakatawa ngayong mamili. So, today is Christmas Eve. Sorry, New Year's Eve. Tapos na yung Christmas. It's been a busy week. So, today is New Year's Eve. So, we're gonna buy something to prepare for tomorrow, New Year's naman. So, bago ko nga pala, I continue itong vlog na to, I would like to shout out yung mga taong continue supporting us, continue watching our videos. At saka syempre, shout out ko rin yung na-meet namin last day sa Virginia Beach. Si Ma'am Bianca and Ma'am Pam. I will post your picture here. Yes. So nakakataba na puso while I'm parking on the sa Jollibee dun sa Virginia Beach. Then someone rolled down their window. Hindi ko sila kilala but they're so nice. They greet us and nag-thank you sila for watching our videos kasi napaka-informative daw. That time, mamamasyal daw sila somewhere. Isa sa napanood nila sa video natin, yung Nauticus, yung warship. So, thank you so much, ma'am. And thank you for supporting and watching our video. And yun nga, nakakatuwa dahil yun naman talaga yung isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit tayo nag-vlog is to give of course, makita na tong mga papunta dito, makita nila kung what Virginia looks like, mga groceries, etc. And also give informations, yung mga where to go places here in Virginia. And also, syempre na rin, yung memories ng mga bata at least na-capture natin. So, yon. Maraming salamat sa inyo at nawa magustuhan nyo yung mga video contents natin for the coming video vlog content pa. So for today's video, just a preparation for our new year, and of course parang ang bilis. 2024 was so fast, just like that. Then tomorrow is 2025, so there's a lot of things to be thankful, to be grateful sa amin, sa family namin, because of course we are healthy, number one, and also a lot of blessings come in this year 2024. Ang dami nangyari, no? So nagkaroon ng work si Mrs. as a nurse here, tapos nag-ship pa siya as dialysis nurse, tapos ako naman it's been hard to shift from ICU then to PACU nursing. Of course, no, yung beloved mong ICU, you've been working for that field for that expertise for like a decade already. It's hard to depart from that. But syempre, new beginnings, new journey here sa United States. So I embrace PACU nursing with open heart. So yun, isa yun sa mga sabihin nating highlight of this 2024, yung career path namin. At the same time, syempre, isa pa rin is yung nakapag-purchase kami. We purchased our home here in Virginia. It's a big leap, I would say, as a new immigrant here in the United States. So, yun, napakaraming blessings ni Lord we have to be thankful of. We have to be grateful of. All glory to God. And also, what else pa ba? Yan, we meet some friends, we meet some new families here. That's also one thing to be grateful for. So yun, salamat. Thank you so much for all those memories. So we have to thank our good Lord for all these blessings, for all the things na He given to us. And also, I'm so very excited for the coming 2025 because a lot of, I think a lot of opportunities to come.
Amazing!
So I'm so very excited. I can't wait for the next year to come because, of course, another ano naman, challenges in life. Of course, syempre, there will be challenges, but it's part of the journey. Okay? And but there's a lot more to be thankful for. So yun, without further ado, nagmamadali itong dalawa. I'm sure they want to go out there shopping na. So yun lang, mga pasalamat sa 2024, mga blessings na syempre welcoming 2025 with the open heart. So yan, looking forward. And I'm so excited also mga Rema Ma'am sa mga subscriber namin. And also, baka makalimutan, we have a group page here in Virginia, and I would like to invite you to join in our group. Ipopost sa screen yung aming Virginia United Healthcare. Yan ipopost ko yan sa screen na yan. So just join that group. If you have any questions to ask, especially for new immigrants and even for old, yung mga matagal na dito, you are free to ask anything there. That group was created in order for us to to reach out with each other if there's some questions, and related sa even not related to nursing or healthcare. It's created solely for all nurses and healthcare in Virginia. So yeah, I invite you to like the page and also join the page. Yeah. Oh guys, are you ready? We're going there in Lot Market. This is the first time I'm gonna vlog this Lot Market.
Daddy,
okay? Yeah. Are you
is it
excited?
2025?
Tomorrow. Okay, so yeah, we go to Lot Market now. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the first time we're gonna go to Lot together with the kids. Galing na tayo dito mga Repa before, pero hindi natin binablog. So ngayon ba-vlog natin ano meron dito. So yung sabi ko, yung lagi nila sinasabing Tito Jansen, because every time they see like this, like yan, yung sumasayaw na yan, they remind parang naalala nila Tito Jansen nila. Ayan o.
Hey, Daddy.
Funny, right? So, dito pala to sa malapit na to sa New Grand Lot Market, another Asian market, Asian store. Medyo modernized daw.
I saw the Korean ramen.
Yeah, okay.
And
So,
Daddy,
yeah?
subscribe for a cookie.
Alright, let's go now. Lot
Subscribe
Market.
for something.
Oh, parang maganda siya, no? Dito pa lang,
What's
parang
food over here?
well organized na yung kanyang mga
Look at that.
yung mga tawag dito. Well organized na yung mga goods and produce. So meron dito Richmond Gourmet Chicken Kitchen. So checkin natin yan. Ito yung
Chicken.
this is the fruit stand, fruit section and vegetable section. Yan, dito siya. Where you can see, fresh daw yung mga dito, prutas sa gulay. Pero puntahan natin yung ating target. Ayan, ito. Fruit section. This is one of the fruit sections here. You know, spinach.
You love vegetables.
Yeah, you eat vegetables. See you. Parang napakalinis niya. Sobrang linis niya. Ang Repa, mga moms. Oh, see you. We got parang pet. Ito talaga Pechay Organic. Ayan. Oh, Chinese celery. May celery sila dito, fresh. Kaso parang siya. Dito talaga parang ma-incheck man ng mga in-check man talaga yung mga mga namimili. So far, nakikita ko mga in-check na mamimili. Yeah, you're gonna weigh you're gonna weigh the vegetables there. Come on guys, let's go there. Let's go here. Come on. And nakita ko na yung fish market Tahan natin yan. So So, napansin ko lang siya dito, napaka-organized niya. Ayan, kita mo naman, di ba? They're segregated properly. At saka napakalinis niya. Yun ang feeling ko, suggestion ko lang yan. Kasi maayos man. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come.
Hey, is this restaurant?
This is a grocery.
This is grocery. Or restaurant. Or a restaurant.
Yeah, there's a restaurant there. Okay, what do you want to say?
There's a restaurant.
What do you want to say?
You need to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. It's like and subscribe, so that means you will like our video, and I'll not give you $1 million.
$1 million? You got $1 million?
And Daddy, like if you don't like and subscribe,
Okay.
into I will return to you into poor.
Into what? Four?
Yeah.
No, it's not. So ito mga repa, mga ano siya, mga frozen goods. There's shrimp, shellfish, fishbowl, seafood mix. On this section, there's also a frozen fish. Ayan, cat na. Ay, may bangus, oh. Ayos, oh. It's nice. This is nice. Alright, okay. See this one? These are squid rings. And also, see, oh, there's also like, carving squid. They're all frozen.
And Daddy.
I thought, look at this one. Frog leg. Frog leg. Look at this, Johan. There's a frog leg here.
Wait, is he killing the frog?
No, it's also sometimes for eating also.
Is that frog?
Yeah, that's a frog.
These are look like onion rings.
That's not onion rings, those are squid rings.
What? I'm wrong.
Okay, go. Let's go ahead. Come on. May sila. Ay, ito, mga ano to, cats. Ay, salmon, no? May head. Ba, first time ko nakakita na may salmon na head dito, tapos mayroon pa mga bone. So, this is good para sa sinigang.
Salmon.
O, yung mga repa, kung gusto nyo mga sinigang, yan, dito pwede. Salmon, may mga cut tayo, Bone USA. $3, look, oh. $3, napakamura niya, 4. Ulo ng salmon, 4. Malasa yan para sa sinigang. Patok na patok sa Pinoy ito. Ayos.
The fish is opening his mouth.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, let's go ahead. What else we got here? Slices, fillet. Uy, okay to. This is parang ano to, lapu-lapu. Medyo pricey lang siya. Ito, ulo ng ano.
Daddy, it's from Canada.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
It's
And then also here, look at this.
bellfish.
This is espada. Oh, may espada. Ngayon lang ako nakakita espada
It's
dito.
a bellfish.
Dito yan sa lot, It's nice.
China.
There's a espada here. Nice. There's also for sushi here. People will love sushi. Ito ano to? These are what? Masago. Parang ano to? Taba ng alimango. Okay meron pala dito. Nice. That's
Is
nice.
it the Korean?
And dito tayo sa fish market. So, ayan siya. Ayan siya sabi ko. Yan ay pinakamalaki nila. Ito na hindi nga masabing tiger prawn to eh. Maliit pa rin eh. So, yan ay pinakamalaki nila dito. Kasi sa Canada, hindi rin ako nakakita ng ganyan. Yeah?
And Daddy, there's
No,
no
I'm good.
shrimps.
I'm good.
We eat shrimps.
Yeah, we eat shrimps, but we don't have tiger prawns here, right? The bigger one. This is the biggest? That's the biggest? Okay. Yeah, this is the tiger shrimp. Come on. So, this one is sea bass. Nanguhuli lang ako doon, pero laki nito. Don't touch it, guys.
Get some fish.
Salmon steak. Malinis, parang maayos ang pagkaka-distribute ng mga section niya, tsaka slice. Looks clean. And this one is different. Ay, meron din pala dito. Pero frozen din yan. Na espada. You got here some treats also, choco pies, custard. Wala pa ako nakitang Filipino food. So far, mga Chinese to. Japanese. This is the one I'm looking for. But before the barbecue section, I'm gonna look at this one. Oh, look, oh. Ang dami niya, oh. Meron siyang, mackerel. Ayan, fresh snapper, lapu-lapu. May salmon din na head talaga, oh. Ayos dito ah. Dito ako bibiling pansigang. Okay pala to ah. So, yung pompano, you got pompano here. Yeah. Ito yung isa sa mga pinuntahan natin dito, yung mga Korean barbecue section. I will try to buy some barbecue steak. Hopefully marinated na. I mean hopefully meron siyang malaking servings para hindi siya lumusot sa ating barbecue griller. Pero parang wala. So I think we have to, what's this? Pero maganda dito, at least may marinated na, no? Rib eye tender, pang social yan. Mahal. Doon lang tayo sa mura. Ito. Short ribs. Yan, marinated short ribs. Pero mahal din ha, 25 Angus rib kasi. Mahal pala siya. Mag-marinate na lang tayo mga Pero kung gusto niyo mabilisan, naka-marinate na. Meron tayo dito. Yan. Wala, meron pala siyang mga barbecue combo. Ito, may mas mura. Okay. Meron pala. Marami pa pala ito.
Daddy,
Oh, wow. Yeah?
here's that.
Yeah, it's big, right? Right?
What is that? Daddy, what is
Ayan. Marami pala. Okay.
that?
Hap tayo ng mga barbecue natin. Ikaw, itabilin natin. Jayden, come on. Excuse me.
Daddy, these are raw.
This one. Bili tayo ng mga tatlo lang siguro. Okay na yan. Para at least meron tayong ma-marinate. Saan pa yun? Ito. Ito yung ano eh. Rib belly. Ito, maganda to. Yan. Ito lang mga bibili natin. Meron silang ano, pang ready to barbecue na, no? Stickin na lang to, no?
Daddy,
8 lang, oh.
you have the same hat as you.
Yeah. Yeah, parehas daw kami ng ano sa ulo. Ito, ganda. Barbecue na lang to. Sige, bili tayo nito. Dalawa siguro. Ito naman sa mga nagmahiling mag shabu-shabu. Mga ano to, frozen pork paper tin. Itong maganda. This is the good one. Meron tayong beef. May bulgogi. Tapos there's a pork as well. This is a good one. Kung mag shabu-shabu. Yan maganda for shabu-shabu. Manipis. Meron pala, bilingan lang ng mga ano, ng mga tawag dito, ng mga ano ba yan, yung gulay, lettuce, tapos ito naman yung meat section.
Wait, Daddy, sit here.
There you go. Yan, mahabang meat section yan. At syempre, meron din dito syempre chicharones. So, di ba? Meron din pala sila dito mga chicharon. Yan, pang shabu-shabu lahat yan. Ang galing. Pwede pala dito Ay, eto, meron din tayong ano, for stock. Ayan, frozen meat for stock. Meron tayong mga knuckle bone, mga buto-buto, kumbaga. Buto lang siya, wala siyang laman. Meron dito yan. At syempre, yan, this is the pork barbecue bulgogi. Hindi pa siya marinated. Slice lang siya. Nice. Tayo pala na may bili dito Ang ganda Ang ganda ng mga cuts. Tulad niya, mga pork cuts, ganyan. Ang ganda ng mga cuts niya. Tayo ng ano. Ang ganda ng mga cut nito. Limpo, mga belly. It's meat. At saka ito maganda dito. May cut na siya ng for barbecue talaga na tutuhugin mo na lang. It's nice. Di ba? Wala lang hirap, no? Mura pa siya, Hindi ko na mahirapan tuhugin. Iwain. Pero maganda sana kung merong nakatuhog na. Sa pinakadulo niya ito, may maliit na parang tiyanggi-tiyanggi na mga ganyan. Timba, balde, mga kawali. Ayan, there you go. Maliit lang na bilihan ng mga ganito. Kutsilyo. Meron din siyang ganito. Yeah.
My favorite plastic come here.
What?
Come here. My favorite plastic.
What plushie? Yeah, there's a Pokemon plushie here. Right? It's too much, $10.
How about this?
It's $10 too. Come on, you got a lot of plushie already, but it's nice, right? Yeah, instant food. Korean soju. See, Johan, there's a soju here. You are watching always this one, right? Johan, hey, look, tteokbokki. Johan, tteokbokki. See, rice cakes. Pang shabu-shabu talaga yan. Tteokbokki.
How about the candy?
Instant noodles. Kaya mga pang shabu-shabu. Ano siya dito? Ay, matatawa si mami nito. I'll buy you this one. You know, in Saudi, we got this kind of croissant named 7 days. So, mommy, we gonna be happy with that one. Okay, we'll take 2. So, meron din siyang mi goreng sa Saudi. So, may kopi ko. Ayan, no? Ayos na. Ayan, mga rice. Tayong basmati rice kasi gagawa pala tayo mamaya ng kabsa. Only 2, nak. Only 2. Basmati kung wala dito, saan lang tayo bibili? Sa New Grand Mart. Kasi alam ko kung nasa yung basmati doon. May royal sila. Ay, ito basmati. Ang dami naman yan. Biscuit, yeah. I'm looking for basmati rice here. Ito. Basmati rice. Ay, it's so big, but it's okay.
It's okay.
It's heavy.
I can help you.
Sure. Basmati. Go. Go, put there. Okay. Yan, basmati yun eh. Let's go. What did you get? What's that? You like that?
Yeah.
Okay, put it in there. Only one. Only one. Okay, put it back. Only one because you share. And also, this is Japanese pastry bread. We're gonna try to... How about we try... let's see. I think that's enough, right? That's nice. This one. Like it?
Yeah.
Okay, put it there. Put it there.
Yay, go.
Alright, okay. You see some chips here.
You see a choco pie.
Yeah, you got choco pie, right?
No, we don't get it yet. Daddy.
Yeah?
Choco pie.
Yeah, that's choco pie. You got that already, right? Yeah. Ito, meron na ako nakita mga Filipino food. So, may steak-o. There's steak-o here. Skyplex. Oh, pretzel. Oh, look, pretzel. Oh.
Daddy, we eat this.
And the Philippines, right? Yeah, may pretzel pala dito.
Bye.
And there's also pillows. Look, pulburon.
Oh, pillow.
Nice, ah. Ito, paborito namin. Isn't it we bought this one already on the Virginia Beach, right? We got one.
Two of them.
Alright, last na that one, okay?
Yay.
So, okay, you get that
Let's
one.
go.
Ayan. So, ito meron din silang mga ganito rin, no?
Cheers.
Ang mga sunflower, oh. Sa Pinas lang yan, ah. So, meron na silang mga Asian, mga Filipino, foods. Nakita na tayo. Pero chips wala pa. So, mga kaibang chips to. Let's go. Ayun, there you go. I can see our chips here. See, may sugo. Look, I like this one. I like this sugo.
Eat this before, baby.
What else? See, you got Chippy. Meron na sila. Roller coaster. See, you got Oshi, Chippy. These are all chips back in our country, right? Yeah. May Oshi na. Regular, oh.
Pillows.
So, yan. Meron na. Chicharon. Yung paborito ni Beshi Rio. Let's try this one. Ito ba yun? Let's try this, okay?
Yummy.
Okay, let's try this too. Let's buy 2, okay?
Wow.
So, yan. Ito na Rupina, oh. Kalahin mo, nakarating to, no? Galing Malabon yan, eh. Dati, alam mo ba, Repa? Meron akong sasabihin sa inyo. That's our business. And I remember before where I'm driving to Malabon gamit yung tricycle. At sinusuong ko yung baha para makakuha lang ng 4 hanggang 6 na container ng mga patis na ganyan. Nang galing, Tentay pa kami kumukuha ng Tentay patis sa Malabon. So, yeah. During those days, grabe. Ako ang nag-drive mismo ng tricycle from Valenzuela to Malabon. Malabon to Valenzuela. Just to get those patis. Kasi business namin yan. Suka patis toyo. Ang lakas namin dati yan. Grabe. And here mga Repa, at long last, marami na tayong Jupran ketchup dito, ha mga Repa, ha. Available na siya. Ayan, no? Wala siyang limit, mga repa. $2.99. Available sila sa tingin ko. Naging okay na. Okay na siya. Pwede na siguro. Kasi sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang pinagbawal na itong ketchup na to dito sa US. But recently lang may narinig ako, okay na daw. Pero at for whatever reason, hindi pa nila nilalabas. Pero ngayon, available na. So, nagtinga tayo ng 4. Let's go, guys. Napansin ko lang talaga dito, more on Chinese, mga products. Yun siguro mga 60 to 70%, I would say, safe to say. For mga Chinese product. Filipino Asian store, Filipino foods, goods, I would say mga 10 to 15%. Yan. Pero may mga kakaiba dito na wala sa New Grand Mart. Marami sa New Grand Mart na Filipino store or Filipino goods, pero mas meron dito mga kakaiba na wala sa New Grand Mart. Ito, nakaka-proud na naman mga repa. Gold label, San Miguel. Hindi siya Nestle, pero sa atin siya galing. Made sa San Miguel Foods. That's nice. Ito, yun. Magnolia, Makapuno, coconut. Sa atin yan, ube. Yan. Made in the Philippines. Ice cream. So yun, alas pabalik na tayo. Na-cover naman natin lahat na dito. Nakabulag na tayo dito sa produce naman. Punta muna daw si Jaden sa bathroom. So samahan natin siya sa bathroom. Malinis dito. Ay, mayroon palang tahong. Oh. Malalaki rin. Di ba? Frozen tahong nga lang. Let's go, Jaden. Come on. Ito na gusto ko dito. Linis ng bathroom. Oh. Oh yeah, sure. Linis. Let's go. Ang maganda dito sa grocery shop na to, sa Lotte, pag nagutom ka halimbawa, you were caught hungry in the middle of your grocery or maybe after your grocery, pwede kang kumain dahil may mga dito. Meron dito mga food store, food kiosk. Let's go, Johan. Yan, pupuntahan natin yan. Doon tayo. Excited din ako doon. Marami daw masarap na pagkain doon eh. Sabi ng mga kaibigan natin na gano'n dito eh. So, puntahan natin yung mga repa. Napakita namin sa inyo. My food, my family health, my food kitchen. Let's just check this out, okay? Meron pala dito mga mga frozen goods din. Marami rin dito. Mga pagkain din ng mga Japanese. This is the one. Oh, may takoyaki. There's takoyaki here.
Wow.
No, don't touch it. How to order here? We're just gonna get one?
Yeah.
Okay. See, there's takoyaki here. This is what we're craving for a long time.
And look at this.
You want this?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, dito lang pala tayo makakita ng takoyaki.
I want this one.
Let's order 2. And also there's some... there's also ready lunchbox. Salmon. Oh, good, huh? That is nice. Oh, we got kimbap. That's nice. See? It's complete here. Dito pa lang. Napakakuha na ako dahil ito ang tagal ko na kinikrave to eh. Are you sure you're gonna eat that? Are you sure you're gonna eat that?
Yeah. I'm gonna taste this.
Okay, let's go. Nakita nyo una mga repa is parang kailangan bayaran mo siya sa checkout muna. Pero dito may mga restaurant tayo doon to. Toasted ledures. Mga pastry. Let's see what's inside. Here. This is nice. Look, there's a lot of pastries here. Different kind of pastries. Nakakataka. Gutom pa naman ako. Grabe. May different cakes din sila sa loob. Tapos meron din silang dining area. There are different kinds of cakes here. That is nice. Ooh, nice pang gift ko. Birthday. Nice. Nice one. You're gonna check this out mga repa mga mams. Ito brownies. Nice. Ooh, let's go. Like I said, this is the first one. Barbecue chicken, may bubble tea. Food, don't drink outside. Okay. So yeah, very good. No food, no outside food or drink pala. So, I'm gonna put it here. Okay? Then we're gonna buy some food here. Okay? Korean restaurant, you want it like this? Oh, see that's nice. That was this next one. It's a Japanese restaurant. And then of course, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. The po soup, right? It's a po. Nice. Wow. So, Repa, no? We're waiting. We're gonna have our lunch here in the po soup. Kahit na may different variety of restaurant, still we end up ordering on the po restaurant. Mami, I'm sorry if you watch this vlog. Sorry kung wala ka dito. But nagutom na sila kaya nag-request sila ng po. So, yan. Hintayin na natin yung order natin. I just did
I'm
order.
gonna give something to my mommy.
Yeah, of course, tonight. We got surprise for tonight. So, yeah, they're so hungry na. I'm so hungry too. So, let's just wait for our order, mga Repa. At saka, ang ganda dito. Kasi, yun nga sabi ko, ang dami may pagbibili ng kainan. Japanese, Korean, Vietnamese, then meron din barbecue chicken na Korean din. Wala nga lang Filipino restaurant, but it's fine. Alright, yan na yung order nila. Siyempre, paborito ng lumpia. At saka ito naman, kay Jaden ay paborito niya lumpia. At siyempre, our pho. This is special pho. And nakita ako ng shrimp. Hindi siya
These are falls.
tempura, pero it's okay.
Lumpias.
Yeah, lumpia. That's a shrimp lumpia. So, okay. Let's enjoy. Alright. So, mga repa, tapos na tayo silang kumain. Magbabayad na tayo ngayon sa cashier. Yan, may nakita na naman sila. Solve sila. Alright, tapos na tayo mamili sa Lore. Bye-bye, Tito Johnson. Where's our car? Here. I know, our car is here, right? Come on, guys. Ganda pa rin naman, no? Hindi masyadong malamig Kaya hindi na sila naka-jacket ngayon So yun, tapos na tayo mamili.
It's not
Mga repa, mga mouse, na nakita nyo yung loob ng lote. Hindi mo natin naikot lahat. Siguro mga 60% na daan natin. 70%. Magandang Asian market siya. Marami kayong mabibili, different variety. So matutuwa kayo. So pasyalan nyo to. Dito lang to sa malapit sa New Grand Mart. Sa West Broad. Meron kasi kayan dito. Buffalo Wild Wings.
Is that Lamborghini?
No, it's not.
The green one.
No, it's not Lamborghini. May Buffalo Wild Wings dito. Tapos meron din Tasty Crab. Try nyo. Na-try na yung Buffalo Wild Wings.
Is that
Birthday ni Mami.
Is
It's nice. Okay naman siya. It's not Tesla. It's like a Corvette. A Corvette. A Nissan Corvette. It's fast. It's fast. There you go. There's our car. So mga repa, tapos na tayong mag-grocery for this New Year's Eve. And pauwi na tayo. We're on our way going home. So it's almost 3 p.m. na. In a couple of hours, susundin namin si Mami. Tapos sa church mamaya yung aming New Year's Eve celebration. Crossover then to year 2025. So hanggang yun, from 8 p.m. to midnight hanggang sa mag-crossover na hanggang January 1, 2025. So yun mga repa, siguro yung vlog na hanggang dito na lang. And of course, I hope you enjoy at sana na gustuhan nyo yung ating content for this video. And I would like also to shout out my parents, of course, mami, mga papa, mga kapatid ko, mga anak nila, mga asawa nila. Ingat kayo. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year sa inyo dyan. Of course, sila mama, sila papa Charmaine, tapos mga kapatid ni Charmaine, mga asawa nila at mga anak. And to all our family, Nanay Deli, tito namin, both sides, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Ingat po kayo always and naway pagpalain po tayo nawa ng ating Panginoong Diyos. And also, of course, I would like to thank also our friends, mga subscribers namin, likers, followers from my different social media sites sa Facebook ko. Tapos sa YouTube of course. At syempre, yung IG ko active na rin. So soon natin yan. Ipopromote natin yan sa ating video vlog. Maganda yan, professional social media site. So it's a different me there. At tabayanan niya, lalo na yung sa mga nurses here in Virginia at mga healthcare provider. Actually, it's not for those population lang. Marami pa. So soon yun, abangan niyo yan. 2025, abangan niyo yung IG account ko para matabayanan niyo yung mga content natin. So yun nga, I hope this coming year will be more blessing for us. Of course, good health to us, to all the family. And thank you 2024. We're so grateful for your all the blessings that you given to us. Napakarami talagang blessings. We are so blessed. We're so grateful to God. And yun, Happy New Year po sa inyong lahat dyan. And lagi po kayong mag-iingat. And again, salamat po sa pagsubaybay sa aming mga content. Jen and Johan, let's say goodbye to them. And see you again next time on our video content. Bye!
Bye!
Ingat kayo. God bless.
I'm a YouTuber. Get subscribe. Like, ketchups.